Hi everyone, welcome back to your most beloved channel for solar panels, that is Pronoun Solar, which is an official channel partner of Loom Solar. I hope that you and your loved ones are keeping well and good in these tough times of the pandemic. In today's video, I am going to tell you what are bifacial modules, where to find it, and how you can take maximum advantage of it. This kind of module has always been in high demand, and by 2030, more than 60% of the modules will be bifacial. We have heard that necessity is the mother of invention, and there is no doubt that solar is the best option in domestic, industrial, and commercial areas. In today's time, solar investment is the best kind of investment. Bifacial means two phases. That means there is an effective utilization of energy resources from both the sides of the panel. Bifacial modules produce solar power from both sides of the panel, whereas traditional, opaque, black-sheeted panels are monofacial. Bifacial modules expose both the front and back side of the solar cell. Bifacial modules come in many designs. Some are framed while others are frameless. Some are dual glass and others use clear back sheets. As we all know, everything comes with some advantages and some disadvantages. So let's first talk about the advantages of the bifacial modules. First, maximum efficiency. The bifacial solar panels tend to be more efficient than the monofacial panels. These are capable of using both sides of the solar panel to produce more solar powered electricity. Hence, they actively increase the overall production efficiency of the system. Second, smaller installation space. If your power needs require a good number of solar panels, but the installation site does not have that much space, you can still meet up your energy requirement by installing bifacial solar panels. Their two-way build can help you meet your energy goals, and that too without worrying about having not enough space. Third, backup energy production in bad weather. The bad weather can directly affect your production capacity if you are using monofacial panels. However, things are different when you are using bifacial panels as they continue to work. Even though the front side of the panel is affected by the bad weather, the rear side continues to work efficiently unaffected by the troublesome weather. With all good things about bifacial, there are certain drawbacks to them as well. These disadvantages are: first, overweight. The bifacial solar panels have a fair share of weight on their side. They are extremely heavy and require a great deal of care in handling. Their heavy weight means their mobility is limited, making their maintenance a bit difficult. The customer should hire a professional solar engineer to assess the structural integrity of the roof before installation. Second, overpriced. The bifacial solar panels are not only overweight but also slightly more expensive than the monofacial panels. The installation cost edges to that of mainstream installation, but that also means they are equally cost effective. However, bifacial solar panels offer enhanced production of energy, which fills in for them for being expensive. Keeping that in consideration, they equal the overall cost of every compared to monofacial. Third, reflective surface. These panels require installation on a surface that reflects the sunlight. However, by painting with light reflecting colors, they are pretty much suitable anyway. It significantly increases the installation cost, thus making an already costly installation a bit more expensive. The effect on which efficiency of bifacial modules depends is known as albedo effect. The albedo describes the reflectivity of a non-luminous surface. It is determined by the ratio between the light reflected from the surface and the incident radiation. The albedo of the surface under the system, one of the decisive factors influencing the amount of additional energy yield, changes in the field over time. Albedo describes the extent to which light is reflected from a surface. Therefore, the albedo itself depends on properties of the surface under the module such as color, thickness, surface finish, or type of vegetation. All these factors can change over time due to environmental influences like aging, soiling, or natural alteration of ground conditions. Therefore, one needs to do full research before installing bifacial modules at their place, because if they don't utilize it effectively, then they have spent more pennies in buying it. With growing awareness among people to use renewable sources of energy, the demand for solar panels have increased, and by 2030, more than 60% of the modules will be bifacial. However, if you feel that there is anything we missed out on, do let us know in the comment section below. You can also contact us on our newly made social media platforms including Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching this video patiently. Do like, share and hit the subscribe button.